you blind? Even a pigeon could see that. My grandma's cockatiel could see that.
You call that a foul? That's a high five with extra drama. Somebody get this ref an eye exam.
Aha! That's me! Look, I'm on the big screen! Let's go!
Boss, I told you to play defense. Put me in, coach. I can do better.
This bird is wild!
Watch this.
Whoa, whoa, little guy, hold up!
Let me in. I got it.
Whoa! Feathers up, baby! We on fire!
Is that a parrot?
Flap, 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 flap. Defense can't catch this snack.
Oh my God.
Somebody call animal.
They lost. Again. I gave them everything. Next season,